Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ayomidegraphix. In this video, you will be learning how to design a beauty salon logo and how to create a mock-up like this. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. Open the Pixellab app on your phone, then click on the three dots, then click on image size, click on the arrow down in the custom, then click on YouTube thumbnail, then OK. Now you click on the dustbin icon below, then click on OK to delete the new text. The next thing for us to do now is to bring in our image by clicking on the shape tool, that's it there, then click on the import icon there. You see import. When you click on import, you bring in our logo. Wow, that's it, that's lovely. I'm going to move the logo to the other side by clicking on 3D rotate, that's it. Click on 3D rotate, then move the y-axis to the right. Now let us type our letter. We click on A, and click on A plus, then the pencil icon there, then you click on type the letter, that is B, the letter you want to type. Then let us edit it. Click on T, let's make it big a little bit, that is for text size. Make it big a little bit. Then the next stage is to give it font. Click on the font icon, that's font for editing text. If you are watching this video now and you don't know how to download font, you can check the top of your screen now, that's it there. I did a video on how to download font. Now let's move to the next one. Let us edit it now, and let's increase the size. Let us edit the size very well. Now you click on the layer icon at the top right corner of your phone. Click on it. Now you adjust it to the front to check it very well. Wow. Now click on the invisible icon to make the shape invisible. Now it's invisible. The next thing, you click on shape tool, the one in the middle, then click on shapes, click on the arrow icon there, then click on circle. Now let us give it color. Scroll, click on the icon, enable. Then I'll be using the other color. I'll be using this color. Now click on the layer icon at the top right corner, then make it visible. Make it visible now, as you can see. Now let's merge it together. Click on the icon over there. Then the next is we are going to click on that. Yeah, click on the two box there to click it, yes, the first and second one. Then click on that to merge. Confirmation, yes, okay. Wow, now you have merged two shapes together. Then move to the next one. You click on erase color. You have to erase the colors. Click on erase color. When you click on it, enable. Wow, now the B is gone, but we have to bring it back, not the B. Click on the color picker. Click on it, yes. Pick a color, there's a color picker, click on okay. Wow, that's it. Now increase the tolerance to 20. That's good. 20 is good. That's good. Now click on the layer icon, then make it visible back. Wow. As you can see, adjust it to the front, bring it back to the front. Wow. It is good. Now to delete the excess part of this logo, click on shape tool, then shapes, then you choose that shape, that is the box or the square. Now let us give it color. Move, scroll, then click on color, enable. The other color too as well, that particular color. Then the next thing you do, you click on that is layers. For somebody that doesn't know of that, that's layers. Layer icon for layers. Then you click on mesh tool, you click on the tool again, then confirm. Wow, it has been confirmed. Then erase again as usual, enable, then color picker as usual. That's good. Tolerance 20. Whoa, that's neat. Now let's give our first image color. Click on the layer, then click on it, then go to color, then enabled. Give it a color, that is color purple. You can use any color you like. The second one too as well, click on it, enabled. Giving it pink too as well. Wow, that's lovely, as you can see. We are almost there. Now let's merge them together. Click on layers, then merge icon, mark it, then confirm. Okay, now we have merged them together. You see, can move together at the same time. Now let's continue. Let's move to the next one. Now click on resize. You have to resize it 20. Yes, 20, that's good. Then try to place it in the middle. Yes, you can try to place it in the middle very well. That's it. Relative tools, place in the middle. Now we have to bring our next image. I click on import. So the image I'm bringing now doesn't have the background image has been removed. So if you don't know how to remove the background of an image, you can check my video at the top of your screen now, showing you, that's at the top of your screen now, on how to remove the background of an image. Let's continue. So resize it. Now the next thing we are going to give it color. Let's give it color. Click on scroll, click on color icon, enable, then give it color yellow. Now let us merge it together. Click on layers, click on the merge icon, then mark it, then click on it again, then confirm. Now let's bring in the last object. Now let us give it name. Click on a icon, then plus, then the pencil icon there, then type the name Beauty Bliss. That's the name we are using. Then give it a good font, a good size. I'll be using size 45. Then give it a good color. I'll be using color yellow. Then a good font. Let's give it a good font. Now let us import our next text, that is spa and salon. Our tagline is the unveiling your inner radiance. Now we are almost done. Now that we are done with the creating of logo, you click on the third icon there, that is the background icon for editing of the background. Now you click on transparent. When you click on transparent, now the next thing is to click on the save icon at the top left corner of your phone. There at the top you will see, click on then save as image. After you've done that, click on custom, the icon below, then click on ultra, then save as your format as png, save to gallery. Now the next is to click on the same save icon again and save as project. We'll be using Beauty Bliss. Beauty Bliss, yes, yeah, that's it, Beauty Bliss. Then you click on OK. If you like this video and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button below, click on it again, then click on the bell icon, that is all, for you to get all notifications. Now let's continue. You go to your Google Chrome, you type Photopea. Now it loads. Now you click on template. When you click on template, you allow it to load. It's loading. Then there are lots of mockups there. Then click on any mockup you like. I'm choosing this. That's the 3D glass window logo mockup. Then click on that too as well. When you click on it, it's loading. Sometimes it takes longer to load depending on your phone. Now you see, wow, we are already in Photopea. It looks like Photoshop. Now that is called the layers. That is what we'll be using to edit. But sometimes if you don't have on this, you can go to Windows. Then if you don't have layers in your phone, you go to Windows, then click on layers. Now you click on layers. After that, you click on that, you double click on the small icon there. Then when you double click on it, you click on the other eye icon there. You see, wow, that's it. It's done. It's gone. Now you click on file. You click on open and place. Open and place. When you click on open and place, click on download. Times import your image. Then you scroll. Then you import the image you saved. That's it. That's it. It's loading. Wow, it's there already. Now we edit it, make it bigger a little bit. Now when you are done, you click on file. When you click on file, at the top left corner there, then save smart objects. Save smart object. You see smart object saved. Then you click on the 3D glass window. You see, you click on that. When you click on it, wow, you see, good and lovely. Now the next step is to download this image. You click on the file again, then click on export as. Click on export as, then PNG. You can choose PNG, JPG. You have a lot of options, but I'm choosing PNG. Then you see, you now click on save. You click on save. When you click on save, then your image will look like this. That's how to create a mock-up of a logo. If you like this video, kindly comment on what you think about this video, like it, then share this video to your loved ones. Most importantly, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so by clicking the subscribe button below, then turning on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.